In this Fresh Farm video, we're looking at eggplant. Eggplant grows in warm summer months and is usually available in the market in summer and fall. Eggplant comes in a variety of different shapes, sizes, and colors. The most common color is purple, from light to dark. Less common are white eggplant and even striped eggplant. The skin of eggplant is smooth and shiny. When it's mature, it feels firm to the touch. It's starting to go bad when it gets squishy and feels soft in spots. If you're not using it right away, store eggplant in your fridge, preferably in the crisper drawer. It should keep for 1 to 2 weeks. When prepping your eggplant, start with a quick rinse. One popular way to enjoy eggplant is to cut it in half, brush it with oil, and place it on a grill. You can also add it to kebabs. Eggplant can also be cut into small pieces and sautéed in a frying pan with oil and maybe garlic or onions or other vegetables. And you can put that in a salad, or add it to soup, or place it over a pasta. Another popular eggplant dish is to cut it into disc shapes and bake it with tomato sauce and cheese for an eggplant parmesan. There are many ways to enjoy eggplant, so feel free to explore the Fresh Farm recipe page and have fun cooking.